you tired of the financial treadmill, searching for a real, tangible way to build a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income right from the comfort of your own garage or workshop, all without needing a massive upfront investment or advanced woodworking skills? Then pay close attention, because what we're about to unveil is one of the most accessible and high-margin small business concepts available today, transforming discarded, forgotten reclaimed wood into highly desirable, small-scale home decor pieces that consistently sell for thousands of dollars in profit. This is the art of woodworking automation, where your small budget is the only limitation and your creativity is the engine of your financial freedom. We are talking about taking materials that most people toss into a dumpster, like old shipping pallets, fence pickets, construction scraps, or barn wood, and breathing new life into them, crafting sought-after rustic, industrial, or farmhouse-style decor that commands premium prices in the online and local marketplace. The journey begins not with spending, but with sourcing your raw material, and this is where the small budget truly shines. The best wood is often free. You should immediately start looking at local industrial parks for free shipping pallets. The heat-treated HT ones are safest, or inquire at construction sites for wood offcuts and demolition sites for unique, aged barnwood. Always ask permission, of course, turning a potential liability for them into your greatest asset. Once you have your wood, the actual making and selling of the decor requires a beginner-friendly approach to tools and technique. Forget the complex joinery and expensive machinery. For high-profit, small projects, you need only 4 core tools: a reliable orbital sander to smooth and prepare the surface, a simple miter saw or miter box and handsaw for precise angle cuts, a cordless drill for assembly, and a few clamps to hold pieces together while the glue dries. Now let's talk about the projects themselves, as the key to high profit is focusing on small, high-demand items that are easy to ship and quick to produce in batches. Consider rustic picture frames with a distressed finish, which are always in demand for family photos. Simple, yet elegant floating wall shelves or entry organizers with a key hook. Geometric coaster sets made from different types of salvaged wood for a contrasting look. Or perhaps the highest margin item, the small wooden serving tray or candle pedestal, often finished with dark stain and simple metal handles to elevate the perceived value. The making process is deliberately simple. Break down the salvaged material, remove any old nails or screws, clean the surface thoroughly, cut your components to size, sand meticulously to remove rough edges while preserving the rustic character, and finally, assemble with wood glue and screws, concluding with a simple finish like a natural wax, a light stain, or a chalk paint and distressing technique to enhance that coveted reclaimed aesthetic. Once your inventory is built, the crucial next step is mastering the marketing and pricing strategy, which separates the hobbyist from the six-figure earner. Firstly, your pricing must reflect not just the minimal cost of materials, but the artistry and story behind the reclaimed wood, never underprice. A simple formula to start with is cost of materials plus cost of supplies plus hourly labor rate, x2 for profit margin. Remember that customers buying reclaimed decor are paying for the story, where the wood came from, the history it holds, and the sustainable choice they are making, which justifies a higher price point than mass-produced items. To tell this story effectively, you must embrace the digital marketplace. Establish a strong presence on Etsy, which is the perfect platform for handmade goods. Utilize Instagram to showcase your projects with visually appealing, high-quality photography taken in natural light, and explore local craft fairs or high-end consignment shops for immediate premium sales. Your marketing efforts should be focused on building a distinctive brand. Are you specializing in modern industrial reclaimed items, or perhaps ultra-rustic farmhouse chic? Use this focus in your product descriptions, hashtags, and overall shop aesthetic, ensuring your photos are professional. A high-resolution camera phone is more than enough, with clear staging that lets the natural beauty and texture of the wood shine through. Utilize techniques like product batching, where you create 10-20 of the same items simultaneously to optimize your time and reduce per-piece labor costs, further enhancing your profit margins. Finally, encourage repeat business by including a handwritten thank you note and a small, branded item, like a business card made from a wood veneer, in every package, turning a one-time buyer into a loyal customer. The reality is that the barrier to entry for this profitable venture is incredibly low. It requires persistence, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn, not a massive bank loan or specialized degree. Every piece of discarded wood you find is not trash. It is latent capital waiting to be unlocked, a tangible product that people are actively searching for to decorate their homes, and every project you complete moves you closer to financial independence. You have the ability right now, with minimal investment and a few hours a week, to start building a stream of revenue that can truly make thousands of dollars from your home, transforming a humble hobby into a thriving, automated small business. The tools are affordable, the material is accessible, and the demand is constant. So stop delaying your dream. Open your browser, find your first palette, dust off that old sander, and take the definitive step toward building your reclaimed wood empire today. Don't just watch this video. Be inspired by the potential and start building your financial future now. We believe in your ability to succeed, and the only remaining question is, what will you build first?